So I have these beautiful flowering shrubs that aren't flowering. So I'm Sandy from Home Show Garden Pros, and this is Isaac from Spring Gardens Nursery. How can I get these beautiful shrubs to bloom?
Well, I recommend a granular fertilizer and a liquid fertilizer. This is a great example of a granular fertilizer by Nelson Plant Food. It's Color Star. It works great for flowering shrubs, and you just get a little bit and apply it there at the bottom.
All right, I'm gonna throw it underneath there. Got a couple back here, just a little handful. All right, so I've got some granular
Okay,
food.
and now next I would recommend a liquid fertilizer.
Okay.
This is a great example. This is a Maxi Bloom.
Okay.
And you notice the middle number is higher. That's your phosphorus. That's what you want for your blooming shrubs.
Great. So I've got my watering can here, which I love. About how much am I going to put?
About 2 ounces per gallon. You can do 2 capfuls. Each
Okay.
capful is about an ounce.
2.
That'll work.
Okay. I'm kind of a glub girl. So I'm going to reach in here and I'm going to, so in addition to the Color Star.
Yes.
Okay.
Because your liquid's going to be a little quicker. With the granular, you're even going to see results within about a week or two. And the liquid should be a couple days to a week.
Great. Well, I have a surprise for you because I did this just a few days ago,
Oh,
literally
great.
3 or 4 days ago. And if you want the result
Yeah.
of your blooming shrub, I was so excited to see
Oh,
this
wow.
this morning. Aren't they beautiful? And there's
Gorgeous.
more to come. I need to add another treatment, but there's our blooming result.
Yeah, you can do it weekly. You can do it monthly.